Meaning of idiom, fresh from the oven. Fresh from the oven means very new, different, or innovative. Usage of idiom. Fresh from the oven is most often used in a literal sense to refer to baked goods that have just been taken out of the oven and are still hot or freshly baked. When a cook says, "Do you want some chocolate chip cookies?" they're fresh from the oven. The expectation is that the cookies will be warm, moist, and still chewy. When used figuratively, the expression refers to something that is brand new or very innovative, such as a new type of electronic device. It may occasionally refer to a person who is a novice. Examples of use. The new senator, so very young, claimed that his resolutions were fresh from the oven of public opinion. I always like to have the newest smartphone, fresh from the oven. Origin of idiom. Used since at least the 1820s.